Hey, it's Misa from Microsoft, here with a device spotlight, and today I'm looking at the HP Envy 13, a great new modern device if you're looking for a Windows 10 PC, and today I'm going to go through the insides and the outsides of this device, so let's jump into it. Let's start off with design, and as the Envy 13 name suggests, it is a 13.3-inch traditional clamshell laptop, and it is an all-metal chassis that feels really light and sturdy, and it's 1.3 kilos in weight, which is pretty good when it comes to being able to carry this around with you wherever you need to go. Being a traditional clamshell laptop, it doesn't bend all the way around like a 180 or a 360, but that touchscreen is an edge-to-edge display, full HD, 1920 by 1080, and it is a touchscreen display, which is really handy when it comes to Windows 10 having so many great touchscreen gestures. It's really great to be able to move between the keyboard and the touch. That edge-to-edge theme continues when it comes to the keyboard, maximizing the functions of the keys and the keyboard size itself. Of course, it's a full-size, really tactile, amazing key travel experience when it comes to the Envy 13 laptop. But they've added function buttons along the side and some additional function buttons along the top, like, for example, the manual mute button and the manual camera shut-off button, which will light up with an LED when it's in mute or the camera shut-off function is turned on, which is really good when it comes to security as well. On top of that, we have a fingerprint scanner that works with Windows Hello, so you can securely sign in with your unique fingerprint. Very secure, very awesome, love to see that. And the power button is also on the keyboard as well and not on the side. Now, with the keyboard, we also have a really healthy trackpad, which is amazing in its size and its gesture functions with Windows 10. I don't seem to need to feel like I need an extra Bluetooth mouse, which is awesome. And talking about the keyboard right here, we also have a Bang & Olufsen logo, which means that you can expect great audio from the Envy 13, and it really does sound really great when you use it. Talking about what's on the side, we also have some ports, and on the Envy 13 we have a fair few to talk about. So we've got a headphone jack, which is great to see. We have two USB-A ports, which are with this flippy design to keep the device really thin, which is awesome. We have a Thunderbolt 3 port, which is through the USB Type-C connection, which is great to see as well. And on this side we have another USB-A port, like I mentioned, the two on one on each side, and we've got the micro SD card slot on this side as well. We also have the charging point here, and with the adapter that comes in the box, you get a fast charging option, which will bring you up to 50% of the battery in under 30 minutes or thereabouts, which is pretty awesome, especially when the device will last all day. But then if you really do need a quick charge, it's great to see these modern devices coming with fast charging options. Now we've spoken a lot about what's on the outside, the design, the ports, all of that good stuff. It's now time to get into the specs of the device, the internals, and being an Envy, you of course can expect the power that brings your ideas to life. The model that I have here is a 10th gen Intel Core i5 processor with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of fast PCIe SSD storage, which is awesome. And that micro SD card slot can be used as external storage if you do need a little bit of extra. And of course, cloud is a thing, so use OneDrive or whatever cloud options that you have for storage. When it comes to choosing device now, video conferencing requirements are at the top of people's wish list. And the cameras and the microphones on board a device is something that we need to consider. And with the HP Envy 13, it doesn't disappoint here. When you need to have the privacy concerns sorted, you've got those physical mute and camera shut off buttons, which is an awesome bonus. But then obviously the cameras and the microphones are really good for your video conferencing needs. The HP camera is a HD wide camera, which is great because you can get heaps in the frame, and the dual digital array microphones are really great to make sure that you're heard really crisp and clear as well. Coupled with the Bang & Olufsen audio experience, it's a really great package when it comes to being able to jump on a video conference and look and sound your best. Overall, the HP Envy 13 is a fantastic device if you're looking for a new modern Windows 10 PC. Whether or not you're looking for a traditional clamshell laptop or you're looking for something with a touchscreen just for the occasional touchscreen needs, whether or not you need something with a fair few ports to get you through whatever accessories that you need to connect up to, and the fact that it's going to last all day and have fast charging, it's a pretty neat package, and I encourage you to check it out in store or online if you think this device is right for you. So that's been me, Misa from Microsoft, taking you through the HP Envy 13. It's been great to take you through the insides and the outsides of this device today, and I hope you like it, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.